Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 25 September 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Let's kick things off with Tesla. The electric vehicle giant is once again making headlines, this time for its ambitious plans to expand its Gigafactory operations. Reports suggest that Tesla is eyeing new locations in Asia and Europe to ramp up production and meet the growing demand for its vehicles. This move is part of Tesla's broader strategy to increase its global footprint and solidify its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. In related news, Tesla's latest software update has introduced a slew of new features aimed at enhancing the driving experience. Among these updates is an improved version of the full self-driving FSD beta, which promises to offer smoother and more reliable autonomous driving capabilities. Tesla owners have been eagerly awaiting these enhancements, and early feedback indicates that the update is a hit. Turning our attention to SpaceX, the company continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. SpaceX has successfully launched another batch of Starlink satellites, bringing the total number in orbit to over 5,000. This marks a significant milestone in SpaceX's mission to provide global internet coverage. The company is also preparing for its next manned mission to the International Space Station, which is scheduled for later this year. Meanwhile, Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain-computer interface venture, is making strides in its research and development efforts. Recent reports indicate that Neuralink has achieved a breakthrough in its quest to develop a fully functional brain implant. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and could pave the way for new treatments for neurological disorders. Finally, let's talk about Elon Musk himself. The tech mogul has been making waves on social media with his latest comments on artificial intelligence. Musk has reiterated his concerns about the potential risks of AI, calling for more regulation and oversight to ensure that the technology is developed responsibly. His remarks have sparked a lively debate among experts and enthusiasts alike, highlighting the ongoing conversation about the future of AI. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and Elon Musk insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.